Hello and welcome to BMed and Revit tutorials. Today I will show you a few simple tricks how to find the best place for your house on the topography. When you cannot make a decision what is the best place for your house and how to move your house vertically and horizontally in one very easy way. I had this example. This is one simple village house or weekend house, and we have difficulties with finding the best place on this land here, on this topography here. And I decide to create house in one separate file and topography in other file. Then I import house in this topography file, and that makes my work easier. As you can see, I can move this house as a family. Is behaved now as a family, and I can move it vertically and horizontally in a very easy way. When we found the best place for our house, and when we adjust and modify the topography, then we can copy all house elements from house file to topography file. Here I will show you how to do this and how to make adjustments to your topography when you find the best place for your house. This is topography. I've created topography from AutoCAD file, and here we have a wall. Also, I will show you one very simple trick how to adjust and modify topography to your elements, such this wall here. All right, the easiest way is to create an element which will be a reference. Now, just to show you how this topography is 100% equal to the real topography on the field, as you can see here. All right, all points are equal to the land in real life. All right, the first thing you need to do is to create topography. Maybe later I will make tutorial how to what's the easiest way to create topography. And now municipality wants from us to make one border here, 3 meter far from our building parcel or building land. So we must be 3 meters far from our neighbors. And now I've already created a house project, and I will link it. I will insert it to topography file. And here it is. Our property lines are visible here. All right. Now I will go to floor plan, and I will draw one section so I can move house vertically. Our house link file is here, and as you can see, I moved it in a very easy way, up and down. I will change the region crop it. And now we will the last decision of our client was to position house on the corner of this land here, and I've already draw the borders 3 meters from the neighbors, and I will position our house from this side, and from here I need to move it on the line, so later we won't have problems with municipality. All right, that's it in horizontal view. Now I will rotate this section. All right, using a line tool. Now I will move it a little bit here, and we will see where is our house here. What's the depth? 80 centimeters. I think this is enough. All right. This is enough too from other side. And using pads, I will cut the topography. All right, when I finish cutting, I will show you how to modify topography to your new house. All right. And now using a line tool, I will align this pad to concrete slab. But our house, the ground floor, is not on the same levels. We have here two different levels with 35 centimeters difference. So I will separate its pads in two. All right, first I will model upper level, and then I will model the lower level. All right. Just to say, when you in the process of design, the first important thing is to model the topography, or to model the place where your building going to be. All right. Now I will move this. I will align this pad to the concrete slab. And now I will modify it. All right, here we have terrace. Now I will rotate this. I will rotate this house. All right, and this is the way how you can do that. You need to select the crop view, and then using rotate tool, you can rotate it. All right, and that's it. Now we have ready drawing for the sheets, and the house will be the angle of the house will be changed only in this view using this method. The method is you need to select the crop view, and then using rotate tool you need to rotate it in opposite direction from direction that you want to your house to go. If you want to see it one more time, you need to go a few steps back. All right. From here you can change graphics of your floor plan. And now I'm going to 3D view. Using section box, I will change the visibility part of this project. All right, from top view it will be easier. And also from here I will change the angle of cutting. So section box will cut our building land parallel to the borders. All right. And from the below side of the house, our terrace looks like it's levitating. So here we need to make adjustments and modifications to the topography. And now I will show you how you can do that. All right, but first we will create one similar topography. So our existing topography will stay, so we can later use it to make comparison between new and existing. All right, this is the way how you can create a new topography, same as existing one, and I will name it new, so I know on which topography I will make the changes. And now, using align tool, I will align only this one point to the terrace view. All right. Now these points I will delete. I will change here only for 3 centimeters lower on this point here, and I will place it on the corner, and I will copy it using multiply copying to this line of the terrace here. Now as much points as you can place, this will be better. All right, and now I will delete these points here, so we are going to have one sloped topography. Now to change the slope of the angle of the topography, we need to delete these points here, and now this new topography will be different to the existing one, and you can see it from sections later. All right. Also, I will add one Gabion wall, and also I will show you how to modify topography on that wall, how to adjust it to the wall. All right, this is boundary lines, and I will hide them. Also, I will delete this elevation point. Here we can see the existing topography is visible here. So that's the reason why we don't see the edges of these floor slabs. All right, the existing one. We will hide the existing one. All right, and that's it. Also, our topography lines are visible from AutoCAD file, and we will hide it also. Now from the section you can see the line of the existing. This is AutoCAD file, because for now I don't want to for existing topography to be visible in the sections, because it will overlap with new one. All right, and from here I will draw the gabion wall. I will rename this one and I will change the height of this wall. I just check, maybe I have existing gabion wall, but I don't have it, so I will model a new one by duplicating this existing wall, and I will make it 50 centimeters wide, and that's it. All right, I will change the depth of this wall. You know, gabion walls are made from the stone. Also, you can change the material and pattern. You can add the pattern of stones, but for now I will leave it like this, just to show you one very simple trick how to modify topography and adjust it to this wall. I will create a reference element using model in place. I selected walls, and I will select the reference plane. All right, and I've created the reference element to this wall. All right, now I will join these two parts, so I will have a line. The line is more important if you have angled or sloped surface. Since this is here we don't have any slopes, so I don't have a need to join it, but it doesn't matter. Now you can see I align this point to this reference level. The reason is why I created this reference level is that I want these points to be lower 10 centimeters from the top of this gabion wall. And as I said before, this method is more important if you have sloped angle on this gabion wall. So our reference element will be angled, and we will join it to wall, and that join line will be our reference line where we're going to align these topography points using align tool. All right, as you can see, I place the points to other side, I select them, and I will change the height of these points from below side of this gabion wall. All right, this is it. Our the topography points on other side of gabion wall are 50 centimeters lower than topography points from below side of the gabion wall, and that's it. For example, you see this gray wall from the below. There we have a sloped line that follow the topography, and in the beginning of this tutorial you could see these reference elements I've created and joined with this wall that I've created using model in place. All right, and that's it. Now I will just to show you how the sheets and elevations section views looks from for this project. All right, in next tutorial maybe I will show you how to adjust this this path, walking path to the house, from parking to the house. All right, and this is the project, site plan, ground floor plan presentation on the sheets. This is roof. This is elevations here, you can see. This is section view, axonometric view, and this is 3Ds. This is all, dear friends. Please don't forget to subscribe and to share my works with your friends and colleagues. See you in the next tutorial.